TradingView is rapidly becoming one of the go-to places for traders and investors all over the world. It's an amazing platform, it's easy to use, PineScript is very powerful, and when it comes to building your own custom trading bots, it's got extensive integrations with all sorts of platforms all over the world. If you're building your own custom trading bot, whether that's something you've built yourself using PineScript or you've asked us to build it on your behalf, you might want to start integrating the alerts that it generates into your view. That allows it to go through to your mobile app, turn up on your desktop, however you want to use it. It's also really helpful for leveraging those integrations to place your trades on whatever platform you happen to be using. In this quick video, I'm going to show you two really easy ways to add those alerts to your platform, and I think you'll find it's super helpful and super easy to do. You can see here that I've got a custom trading bot. First of all, I'm just going to add this to the chart. You can see it getting added up there. And now I want to set up some alerts for it. Now there's a couple of different things that you can do when you're adding in some alerts. I'll just step you through a couple of the really easy ways to do it. So you can just use the plus button here. You can see I've got my chart. And here in this condition, we want to get this enhanced engulfing pattern tracker, which is the same name as this name down here. Now here you can see there's an any alert function call. So what this means is every single time that you get this alert or this alert here, it's just going to add it to the chart. So if we push create here, away we go. Super, super simple. Another way that you can do exactly the same thing is to use this alert button up here. So to do that, I'm going to remove this alert here. And you can sort of see it's still on the chart here, so that's great. So you just do the alert button up here, and we do the exact same thing. So we select that enhanced engulfing pattern tracker, any alert function call, and we push create. The same thing happens. Now if we let this run for a little while, you'll shortly see that the alert starts to fire. So there's two really easy ways to add the alert there. The only other difference that you may see is if you go down here and you use alert condition instead of alert. That's a slightly different way, but I'll get into that in another episode. Hopefully that helps. I'll see you soon.